In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Acer Care Center on your Acer laptop. First, open your web browser and go to the Acer support website. Once you're there, enter your laptop's serial number, SNID, or model number to find your device. After your laptop is detected, open the Drivers and Manuals section. Next, select the Application category to view the available software downloads. Find Acer Care Center in the list and click Download. Wait for the download to finish. When the file has been downloaded, open File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Acer Care Center setup file and double-click it. If prompted, allow the installer to make changes to your device. The Setup wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. That's it. Acer Care Center has been successfully installed and is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.